Welcome to Running Spark on Azure Databricks. My name's Guy Hummel. I'm a Microsoft Certified Azure Solutions Architect, and I'm the Azure Content Lead at Cloud Academy. If you have any questions, feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn and send me a message. This course is intended for people who want to use Azure Databricks to run Apache Spark for either analytics or machine learning workloads, or both. To get the most from this course, you should have some prior experience with Azure and at least one programming language. It would also be helpful to have some basic knowledge of both SQL and machine learning, although that's not strictly necessary. This course is full of hands-on examples, so I recommend that you try performing these tasks yourself on your own Azure account. If you don't already have one, then you can create a free trial account. We'll start with an overview of Spark and Databricks. Then I'll show you how to set up a Databricks workspace and a cluster. Next, we'll go through the basics of how to use a notebook to run interactive queries on a dataset. Then you'll see how to run a Spark job on a schedule. After that, I'll show you how to train a machine learning model. Finally, I'll go through several ways to deploy a trained model as a prediction service. By the end of this course, you should be able to create a Databricks workspace, cluster, and notebook, run code in a Databricks notebook, either interactively or as a job, train a machine learning model using Databricks, and deploy a Databricks-trained machine learning model as a prediction service. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to view the complete course, visit cloudacademy.com.